G'day guys, Ben here from Catch Pro Australia. Now today I want to show you the Blade Assist Sharpener. This Blade Assist you'll use with your existing bench grinders. So this is an old school one. You can get awesome ones from Bunnings. They got a couple of normal options there for you to choose from, the brands. So the idea of this system is you have your bench grinder mounted down to this plate, which is then mounted to your workplace, so it's nice and sturdy and strong. We have a pivoting arm here that allows you to set the blade angle. Now the easiest way to actually set this is to get this is the easiest way. If you have a new blade and you have a look at this is the manufacturer's angle that comes on it. So at the moment I have this in place, but this can swivel. So if you match that angle there and then fasten this piece down so that it's set, then that way you're keeping that consistent angle the whole time. And you can see what we've done here is this is a new blade, it hasn't been used. We've just gone over and sharpened this a few times to bring it's actually really nice and sharp when you compare it to this. So this is an older blade and it was really not in very good condition. This is one that we've been touching up. It only takes a couple of minutes. So what I'll do now is I'll turn this jig on. I'll do a couple of passes on the new blade and then we'll run through on that one again. So this is the side that we haven't touched yet. And you can see here we're putting a nice consistent edge on this, which is great. So there we have it guys, the Blade Assist. Jump on the website and have a look. If you guys want to, what I would recommend is you can have, if you guys are running a couple of sets of blades, you can have the fresh pair on your mowers and then you can have some in rotation. So you'll be able to sharpen these when you get home from work, and then you can just rotate your blades to touch up even the worst blade. Really only takes 10 minutes or so. So jump on the website, have a look at this, and thanks for watching. Thanks.